Right, so in homework 5 we're looking at absolute value equations where the absolute value is bigger than in each case. So we just take a quick recap. If the absolute value of x is bigger than a, let's say, so we can think about this on a diagram. If we say here's a, well here's 0, let's say, then we're looking at about the distance of a in either direction takes us to a and negative a, and where that distance is bigger than those values is to the right and to the left. So we're looking at two parts of the solution here. So if you think about the absolute value equation, and these two equations look like x bigger than a and also x less than minus a. So we can split up this absolute value into two inequalities. For part A, there's actually an even easier way to think about it. If we just think about a number line here, instead of 0, we're now looking at the starting point here being 3. So from 3, if we go a distance of 8 in either direction, maybe a different colour, 8 this way, 8 this way, then we would get to 11, and we get to subtracting 8 minus 5. And we should know from our diagram up here that we're looking for the sets here bigger than 11 and less than minus 5. So, and our solution set should have these interval brackets here. So that's our solution set. So we didn't have to use an equation for that one, but we can, just to show you how that works. Let's see, we'd have x minus 3, the section in absolute value, less than the negative, so less than minus 8, and also x minus 3 bigger than 8, without the absolute values. Okay, so then just solve these like we do normally in the inequalities. Add 3, x less than minus 5, add 3, and we get x bigger than 11. So those are the two expressions for either side of that graph. Right, so for part B, the graph doesn't work so well here. Let's do the equation method. So first, maybe it's easy to do this positive side here first, this without the absolute values. So 3x minus 3 bigger than 9. Nice and easy, just ignore the absolute values. And then for the other expression, we should have 3x minus 3 less than reversed and the negative value. All right, so add 3x, and we'd get, adding 3 would get 12. Dividing by 3 gives us 4. And here we'll add 3, which will get us to minus 6. Divide by 3, and minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. And so we see x is less than 2, bigger than 4. Our solution set will have neither of those values included and will look like this. All right, so for part C, let's continue with this same idea here. Let's think about this one for a moment. When is an absolute value bigger than a negative? Well, actually, we know that it's always bigger than a negative. So we should pay careful attention to our domain here. It's in real numbers. So this is always true. So the solution set, it didn't come out on the paper in here. The solution set would just be real numbers. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in another one soon.